That is one good-looking cake. Ha-ha! That's it. No way am I gonna let that stand. It's time for Unicorn War.
Unicorn War, eh? Two can play at that game.
Fight! Here I come! Prepare to die!
Whoa! What the heck? How did we end up here?
No! Welcome to Unicorn Cooking Battle.
This is gonna be so exciting!
Time to spin the Unicorn Cooking Battle wheel. Get to work.
Alright, this is gonna be epic! Gonna start with this bottle of soda, of course. And I need to open it.
Ow! What the heck?
Did you say something?
Hey! Ooh!
Oopsie. That one was totally on me. Time to empty my bottles. Next up, it's gelatin time. How else would I make a gummy? I warmed it up in the microwave, so time to add my gummy bears. Also, some candies and sticks too. And then it's time to freeze it all. Look at my gummy masterpiece. They turned out amazing.
Matthew! I can't believe you did that to me!
Calm down, Tina.
What? But I didn't have time to make anything! Wait a second. I think I can do something with this gummy bear. Come on, Air Pump. I need you to help me pull out a win here. Yes! It totally worked just like I hoped it would. I'm ready.
Let's see what we have here. I can't decide, so you both get a point. No!
Woo! Yes! We're awesome! I can't wait to finally try this. It looks so good.
Time to take a bite. Oh! Oh, right. I filled him with air.
That's rough. You want a bite of mine?
No thanks. Is he just gonna flirt with that horse all day or what? That's it. I'm taking matters into my own hands.
What was that? Haven't you realized? Milk is your next battle.
Oh, milk. Of course. It was staring us in the face this whole time.
What the heck am I gonna do with milk? Okay, I think I've got the chemistry worked out to the correct measurements. Got my reagent, my milk, and my glass.
Such a weirdo.
Oh, that was a good milk martini.
Hey, the martini glass! That gives me a genius idea! Okay, I'll just dip the rim in this melted white chocolate. Then straight into the sprinkles it goes. Look at how well they're sticking! That should be good enough. Let me stand this up. And next, of course, it's time to pour in the milk. Now let's watch. Yes! It's working just like I hoped! I mean, planned. It's a total rainbow milk drink. Perfect for a unicorn challenge.
Huh? That should be the perfect amount of milk to pour into my milk glass. Next up, my reagent.
That's it. Time is up, my unicorny contestants.
Aw, man. I didn't finish in time.
Well, here's what I made, Mr. Unicorn. I hope you like it.
Okay, let me see what you have here. The winner is clear. It's Tina with her rainbow milk effect.
I won! That means I'm winning overall too!
It's beautiful, Tina. Can I taste your drink?
Sure.
Thanks. Here I go. Oh, wow. Hey, you wanna try mine?
I don't think so. No thanks.
Alright, it's time for the next battle. I have here a giant poppet. No!
That's amazing! I've never seen one that big before.
No way! Oh, it totally rained a bunch of poppets! Gimme! All mine!
Poppets? Really? Well, Tina looks like she's having fun, so I might as well join her. Poppets! I got it! Time to bring back my trusty gummy bears. That haven't steered me wrong so far. Okay, I'll just add them to the poppet holes. And now it's time to use a hairdryer to add some heat. Ooh, I love watching them melt. It's so cool and kinda creepy, too. There we go. They're all fully melted and filling the poppet mold. Once it's set a little bit, it's time to take it out of the poppet. Ta-da! I'm pretty impressed with myself for this one. How about you, Tina? Ooh, she's really gone down the poppet rabbit hole. Or maybe unicorn hole is more apt. Let me see if I can snap her out of it. Tina!
Can't you see I'm busy here? Don't bother me.
And that's it. Time is up.
Well, okay then. I made this gummy bear poppet.
What's this? Didn't Tina make anything? Tina?
Poppets!
Well then, I guess Matthew wins this round.
Yes! Got another point on the board! And now I'm gonna take a bite of my bear. That's good poppet. I mean, gummy bear.
Hey! Give it to me! I've never seen one like this before. Ooh, they're fun to pop.
But Tina, that's not… forget it.
Next battle topic is right here in my hand once more. A drink. Now giddy up.
No way am I gonna let Matthew win another one.
Excuse me, miss.
What the… Thanks. So sweet. You go ahead. Hey there, kiddo. That's a nice looking ice cream cone you've got there. My ice cream! Here, take this unicorn plushie. It'll be your best friend or whatever. Alright, I made it back without the ice cream melting.
And there's no way I'm gonna let Matthew beat me again. Alright, here I go. I don't actually need this orange juice at all. The glass is really meant for all my gummies, of course. Oops, I spilled a bit on my shirt. A little dab should take care of that. Time to fill up my glass candies. And then get to melting, of course. And now that they're done, it's like a rainbow in a glass.
Ugh, whatever. My ice cream is gonna blow your drink out of the water. Into the bowl you go, ice cream! And now time for you to melt, too. Good thing it's so hot today. Now I just need to add some cornstarch to my melted ice cream. Mixed together, it becomes a dough that I can pinch a bit off. And I can roll it into a little tiny dough ball. So cute! There we go. They're in the glass with some ice, and now for the fizz. Orange fizz, that is. Here it goes! Now that is what I call a refreshing drink. I better give it a taste just to make sure it works. I'm gonna win for sure.
Oh, you're done. Yes, of course.
Oh my gosh, who's he gonna pick for a winner this time?
I don't know, they both look great. You each get a point.
Yay! Oh, well, you wanna try each other's drinks?
Sure thing. Ooh, I like the straw. Wow, Tina, that's really tasty.
I'm definitely in the mood for some gummies ever since that balloon blew up in my face. It's really good, Matthew.
Next challenge. That's right, a donut. Now get to work.
Ooh, I love donuts!
Let me put this back where I got it from. Get cooking.
Yes, sir. Alright, there has to be something around here that I can use. My ladle! No. That's not what I wanted. A banana? No, not that either.
All I need to start is some of the cereal. Unicorn Fruity Loops are the best! Now for some unicorn powers! Hi-ya! Nice! Now let me make this look a little more like the one from his mouth. Mayo should do it.
Ew. What the heck is Tina even thinking?
Heck yeah! Now that's a donut I can be proud of.
Yikes. I should get to work because that'll be easy to beat. Good thing I've got these giant candies and this gravy boat. But no gravy this time. Just candy. Yeah, that looks great. Now let's liquefy them. Perfect. And now it's time to get pouring into my molds. Can't forget the other colors, too. Unicorns need rainbows. Okay, they're full up. And now that they're dry, I can pop them out. Ooh, they're so cute. And back into another mold they go. Just gonna add them all and then fill the mold with gelatin. And now that it's set, it's ready to slice. Ooh, look at that. Now that's a donut for me. Tina, what do you think of my donut? Jealous?
Ugh! You and your dumb gummies!
I knew it! You are jealous!
Whatever.
I'm definitely in it to win it.
Alright, let the judging commence. Let's see, is that mayonnaise? Gross. Oh, but this one is full of candies and gelatin. Obviously the winner's going to that one. Matthew!
That puts me in the lead!
This is your next challenge. Begin!
What?
Was I unclear? Make a cake. Use waffles if you want.
Alright! Now we're talking! Yeah, well, all I'm gonna need are these waffles and whipped cream. Huh? What the heck? My can's empty? How can this be?
Wow. Maybe you shouldn't have eaten so much of it earlier. I, of course, always travel with my mini portable waffle maker. This way I can make colorful waffles, too. There we go. That's all my colors. Time for it to cook. Then I just layer some whipped cream in between and I'm done. Actually, let me add just a bit more here at the top. Yeah, nice spiral. That'll look really good. Ooh, maybe I should add a strawberry, too. It's so pretty and perfect. I'll just add a whole bunch of berries because why not? Oh my.
Whoa! Look at that delicious tower he just stacked together. Mine looks so pathetic next to his. Well, crud. What the heck am I gonna do? Hey, I know! Tina, you're not out of this yet! I might not be able to make an awesome waffle tower, but I do have my adorable squishy unicorn cake!
You ready to be judged for this final battle? You both win again!
Yes! Another point to add to my total! I knew this squishy would work!
This waffle tower is even better tasting than I thought it would be.
I'm sure that's nice for you.
Well hey, can I try your cake too?
What? Oh, no. I'm sure it's not very good.
Ah, come on. You're just being modest. Give me a bite.
Matthew, stop!
Don't worry, I'll just take a little bite.
No!
Ouch!
It's a fake! It's a squishy! Did you cheat?
A cheater? That is against the unicorn code. 1 point removed from Tina.
Ugh! No fair! I told you no you couldn't have a bite! Which of these cooking challenges would you like to try? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!